Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low memory in Roblox. Now, open up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android phone first. The first thing we can do is in the settings, and then the second option is in the Roblox app. So from here, let's scroll down until we find General. And then iPhone storage. The first thing you're going to look to see is if your iPhone, Android, or even a computer has enough storage. If you're running out of space, this can cause Roblox to run super glitchy and slow and give you that low memory warning. Now, I have enough space, so I'm going to go down from here and find Roblox on this list. And then I'm just going to offload the app and then reinstall the app. By going through this process, it force updates Roblox to the latest version, but also clears the cache and storage on it. If you're on an Android phone, you can just find Roblox in the settings and again, clear the cache, clear the storage. Now, the next thing we'll do is open up the Roblox app, and I'm going to go into a game and show you how to change some settings in a game so that it runs a lot smoother. So let's scroll down. For instance, please donate. Let's hit play. Now, when you're in a game, if it's glitchy or you're getting a low memory warning, at the very top left here is that little Roblox icon. Let's just tap on that. This will get you to your options. Instead of people at the top left, we're going to tap on settings. Now, within the settings, there are some really important options towards the bottom. You can see it says graphics mode. This might be set to either automatic or to manual. If it's set to manual and bumped all the way up, this will slow down everything, especially if you have an older phone. So I would recommend either switching this to automatic, or you can switch it to manual and bump this all the way down. So you can see the graphics quality is all the way down. And also reduce motion, stop or reduce motion effects. By turning this on, essentially it will reduce a lot of those after basically unnecessary effects, and it will make everything run a lot smoother. You can also choose to change the background transparency. Sometimes this helps a little bit if you wanted to improve the contrast just to be able to see things better. And now you can hop out of here and you should be able to play smoothly on Roblox. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.